Snake plants, beautiful. Okay everyone, so I just got it from the market. The price is a $14.99. I just bought it from Latte, and they call snake plant. Asian call dragon tongue. The dragon tongue. So I'm gonna go ahead plant this one. I broke this one. So I'm gonna go ahead save this. Gonna go ahead save this one. I'll put in the water. So they say put in the water, they grow the roots. See what happened, right? I never did, right? So that's just testing. มาทุกคนมาปลูกต้นอันนั้น dragon นะต้นdragon green dragon tongue. I got the pot right here perfectly. The pot right here, beautiful, and I got the dirt ready to go. So let's get started. Ready to go, and the dirt right here. You know the snake plant benefits. It benefits for oxygen when you're sleeping, and they give you good oxygen, and that's why plant in the house benefits for healthy life. And I got this dirt right here. This is the best soil right here. Moisture control, part panting mix in the jar. So I put this kind. Let's get put this one in. It's perfect, you know. I love plant. Anything give me benefit, I'm gonna do it. Benefit is make you sleeping good, make you good oxygen for your lung and health. So I'm gonna go ahead take off from this. Keep this one. I'm gonna take off from this part right here. See what happened. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. See that, guys? The dirt right here. They need the new soil, a new pot. So they get in here, and then not very beautiful. When they put in here and add the water in everything, they're gonna come back alive. Trust me. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the dirt, more dirt in here. How about put in here first? Let's see how much I can take it out. You know, it look complicated, but not complicated. Okay, when I'm get the thing done, thing can be looking good. And just put this one in, make it nice and balanced. I just want to see this side. You know what they got this side. Oh, okay, that's the roots right there, and this side. Okay, so get in here and put more dirt. And put more dirt in here. Make sure they're tight and beautiful. Keep them like stable for the laying back. Beautiful plant. I love. I've had this for so long. You know, sometimes I just never get it. I just go to the grocery. I just take a look at. Always So I get this, so I don't. But then I hear people talk about this one more and more. I say, you know what I'm waiting for? Gonna go ahead and plan this snake plant because it's a benefit. I don't need to waiting for nothing. I just go ahead and do it, you know. So what I have to do is just try to make the nice even. Give them a good vitamin water. You know, try to make it nice and the water, the plant, the dirt evenly. So they will be beautiful when they water because right here the dirt so dry when they buy from the market. They don't take care nothing. They just let the soil dry, you know. So you can add some more oh no, just put the water in. See? Try the warm water, try to warm a little bit. It's okay, right? To be warm a little bit, right? Cold water down. Okay, just for let them have nice and moist and make it even. Maybe don't need to put too much. Right here, just good enough. I believe good enough right here. Okay, this gallon right here, I put banana and apple peel, banana peel, and then I put in here and have baking soda and then peroxide a little bit in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and give the vitamin in this one. First, I'm gonna mix with the water a little bit, not too much, and mix some water, and just put in here. This is vitamin, make them grow beautiful. That's what I put in my plant most of the time. Once a month, I do that once a month. Yes, they're looking good right now. Okay, so everything looking good, and let the water going down so I can drain out like this. See, water drain it down. You don't want the water stuck in here. Let them drain it down, and when they dry very good, so I put in the bucket. Put in the nearby the window, and put this one back in so you recognize what's kind of plant. Or we keep the sticker. Or we keep that, so they call snake plant, right? That's what they call snake plant. Asian call dragon tongue. Beautiful. And I have to clean the leaf, make it nice and clean. Look, only 5 minutes the water in here look nice and clean. Early is very dry and don't looking good, right? Just only 5 minutes the water get in and the plant looking good. Look at healthy. Look at this. Oh wow! Look at tiger. The way the shape is look like a tiger now. Look alive. Early you don't looking good. It looks so dry and dead. I say I take home. It's gonna be grow or not, but I think to myself, gonna be nice because when I add the new soil and then add the new pot and add the water, vitamin water that I say mix with the apple peel and the fruit basically mango peel and banana peel soak in the water and then just a little bit put in here, mix with the water, and looking good. Look at this, magic, beautiful snake plant and benefit when you go sleep, give you good oxygen. I'm learning from somebody. Okay, they tell. Okay, I believe it too because in my room have a lot of beautiful plants, so I'm sleeping very good every night. Okay, everyone. So first I wanna put this one to grow the root, right? No, I'm gonna try in here. See if they grow in here, right? Just try poke in here. See if they survive. In here, if they're survivor, they might grow the roots, and that's another tree on their own, you know. So we'll see what happens, right? See what happens. So let's try. Nothing wrong with try. And looking good. nothing wrong with try. So this is the trick, catching the water. Just I'm gonna go ahead and put pot in here. Beautiful, right? So catching the water, and how beautiful is it, guys? If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and I will share with you more and more healthy plant in the house, so we can get oxygen and benefits to plant benefits lover pot plant in the house. Thank you for watching. I see you next video. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.